Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, We Are Kids, and today I'm gonna tell you about a magical helicopter or a airplane. I don't know. This is the magical helicopter, and you are guessing what is the speciality in it, what is magical about it. I'll just tell you. And see, if you keep this in balcony, so it will that it will be flying. And see, my dadu gave it to me, and I've tried. I get shocked about it. That how it's doing, guys. Can you see it, guys? अभी मुझे राह में जाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो फिर मम्मी मारेगी. ये देखो
जहाज है।
एक मिनट. ये देखो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा धूप हो रही है और ये खुद से चलने लग गया. I have no cheating, no editing in it. Okay, so for now, bye guys. And the target is 100 likes. So I know, yeah, you are very cute. You will do it. Bye guys.